Alright, how's everybody doing today? I'm going to show you how to take the Diablosport I3 tuner and return it back to stock. So basically return your PCM back to stock, and the reason you want to do this is when you go to the dealership and they want to do updates on your PCM, you don't want them to affect your tune or your tuner, and they're not going to be able to update your PCM correctly. So what you want to do is bring your tuner back to stock so you can go to the dealership and get those updates that you need. And like say you have a warranty on your vehicle and they want to put updates on your PCM, like, you know, anything, any reason they want to connect to your PCM, you want the factory PCM installed so they're getting all the readings they need to get, and if they need to make a change to your engine's computer or your vehicle computer or PCM, they can do so without affecting or damaging your tune. So I'm going to show you how to bring the tuner back to stock. First step is you power on the iTune like I just did. The Intune is powered up, and I'm going to turn the key on but not turn on the engine. So key on, engine off. Make sure all the other things are shut off too. So all your power is being used to fix your system here. Now once you've got your key on, engine off, hit yes. And then you're going to tune vehicle. And it says please ensure the key is on in the run position but don't start the engine, which that's the condition that we just did. Continue. Please wait, it says. Okay, and now you get to the steps to return it back to stock. Here it is right there. Restore your backups. You're going to push that button right there, and that will return the vehicle to stock tune. Push that button. Restore original backup, which is basically restore original backup is your stock tune. And you're going to do that. Hit yes. And then you wait. I'm trying to keep this tuner easy to see by the camera, but there you go. You're going to get some lights coming on the dash and everything because it's restoring your tune. And it's still telling you to wait. What I will do is I will pause this video because right now it's at just a few percent, and when it gets to about 90%, I'll unpause this so you can see it. Now during this time, it's normal to see this on your dash. Everything's supposed to power off to give you all your battery power into restoring your original tune, which is your stock tune. And I'm going to pause this until this turns to about 95%. More to follow. Okay. We're almost finished. We're at 100%. Now you just wait. Look at the dash. Everything's still dark. You wait. Wait. You hear it going through the motions to restore your stock tune. Now your dash lights and everything come back on. That means we're almost finished. And then it says turn your key off and hit continue. So you turn the key off and hit continue. Then it says turn your key on and hit continue. And that's when you know you're finished with the tune. And it says restore backup complete. So now you have your stock original tune back on your vehicle. You're ready to go to the dealership, or in some cases you want to sell the vehicle and pull your tuner off so you have it for another vehicle. That's how you unmarry or undo your Diablosport tune to stock. Pretty easy, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, please like and share with your friends, and have a great day, and mad boosting.